have a super easy recipe for you today. It's chicken in your crock pot. So add 2 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken thighs, or you can do breasts. And mine were frozen, so just straight from the freezer. Throw them into your Instant Pot, or throw them into your slow cooker rather. And then this is just a 3-ingredient recipe. So easy. So I'm gonna have a can of Rotel, and I like mild, but you can get the hot if you like. And then a packet of fajita seasoning mix, and sprinkle that into your, on top of the chicken. Okay. And really that's it. So this is one of those dump and go super easy recipes. Put the lid on, and I'm gonna cook on low. We'll do this cooks kind of hot. Some slow cookers cook lower and slower. This one cooks kind of hot. So I'm gonna do 4 hours on low. Okay, the cooking time is up. And now I'm gonna shred up the chicken. Okay, so there's the chicken, and we like to serve this rolled up in a flour tortilla with a little sour cream and maybe a little cheese, maybe even some black beans. But this simple recipe, only 3 ingredients, is perfect for freezing as well. You can keep it in your freezer and have it on a night when you don't have anything to eat. You can just warm it up really quick and have it for dinner. So I hope you like this recipe, and we will see you tomorrow.